on my voice literally then. Oh, it's been a long old day. Got to St Lucia, got to the hotel, put on a little dress, had a pizza, and I'm just literally like, I need to go to bed. I've left my brother downstairs and I was like, I just need to have a shower, get this makeup off and sort myself out because it's way too much right now. So yeah, very excited to just get into bed, get up tomorrow and really explore the place. I'm just so excited to be here as well. I mentioned in the end of my last vlog, like St Lucia has been on the top of my list to come to for so long. I remember being literally 20 when I finished my apprenticeship and I was like, all I want to do is go to St Lucia. Like, there's another place which I hold on a high pedestal, but St Lucia, I was like, said to my boss, I was like, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna go there. When I left, I said, I'm gonna get to go there. So to now finally be here, like 2 years later, it's amazing. But yeah, we'll get into the vlog and I'll say night for now because I'm about to jump in the showers, get Traitors on my phone, watch that, fall asleep to it, and be very happy. But yeah.
What's the name after the movie? It is called the Doolittle Restaurant and Bar. Doolittle. When in this bay, you can only drive from one side of it. Only to the right and left. Where's that? I have to blow up. Yeah, it was. Yeah. Blow up. Volcanic sun. On a hot sunny day, you cannot walk on this beach without your flip-flops. It is hot. The stone structure is to the top. That's an extension of the resort. It is called the Jade Mountain. This is where the last sins of the bachelor was the Jade.
Look at what I got. And I cut my knee.
Wait when you see the foot legs. Yo,
Say something.
funny, man. Don't speak on.
So we went snorkeling. You got what? Cheers to that.
No.
Yeah, it can't not have a piton when you're at the pitons. No, that's they named it after that. So
Sulphur. Sulphur simply means sulfur in the air or sulfur in the atmosphere. Yeah.
off to the hot springs. Go sexy. Oh my god, it's amazing. Guys, we're at the volcano place and there's loads of waterfalls. Oh my god, I love the waterfalls. It's so cute.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh my god, it was so cold. Your adrenaline kicks in. But oh my god, it's so amazing. Oh my god, amazing. Let's get my shoes on. Isn't it crazy? Like, I feel warm now.
You're now within Sulphur Springs Park.
Thank you. I'm an island boy. I need a wee wee. Here we are. At the hot springs. It smells like egg. Oh, little baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, baby. Oh no, stay away from the cars. Have a good life. Oh. Volcano time. Here's the volcano. This is where the clay is coming from. See the steam coming off. Thank you. Hey, baby. Oh, you're so sweet. Hi. This is the settings for lunch, guys. We're at the Hotel Chocolat restaurant. Very excited. It's a bit more starving. Got a little fruit punch. And it's looking very nice. Here is our lunch. So we've got some mashed potato, some kind of noodles, a hot sauce, some salad, mac and cheese, rice, fried black beans, marinated chicken. What was this? Provence something, innocent fish. It's all going on. Festival fried fish. Oh my god, you can hear the band. That is crazy. That's crazy. Just got back to our room. That was literally the most amazing thing. If you're ever in St Lucia, do the Naughty Girl cruises, because that was so amazing. Such good vibes. Like, the crew are so fun, so absolutely loved it. I feel like I've got a tiny bit of a tan, can't tell yet, but yeah, it's so surreal. Just desperate for a pee now. So I'm gonna have a pee and go down and see. Guys, look how wavy my hair's gone from the salt water. Love it. So imagine if this like happened all the time. It'd be so a little bit later now, guys. We are just walking over to a little area to have a drink and chill by the beach. I'm literally so tired though. Today has knackered me, so I'm so ready for bed later, but still gonna go out and have a good time. Supermarché. This is a message for Jack and Jack only. I feel like this would be your dream. Wow. completely sleepy looking hair, bed hair, but I've just woke up from a little nap. Did I sleep? I feel like I did. You know when like time passes but you're like, did I actually sleep? I must have. The video just stopped because my alarm went off. Yeah, had such a lovely morning. We walked down and headed to an area called Rodney Bay. Went and got some little souvenirs. It was so amazing. Honestly, this place has just been on the top of my list for so long, and I feel so grateful to be able to come. I remember as well, me and my brother were speaking, I remember there was a show on CBBC where I think it's like Susan, the presenter was called Susan, and they came here and they all went to like work in the school or like help out in the school, and like I saw one of the schoolgirls whilst I was here, and it like just brought back such a memory. So it feels so surreal to be here. I'm very grateful. But yeah, heading home soon, so got up to get ready, and yeah, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I feel like there's just been lots of clips, but you know, it's all about sharing the memories. And yeah, I do feel like the sun has done wonders for my skin. It's still, you know, we've still got some blemishes, but overall my skin is just feeling so much better just from having a bit of sun, not wearing any makeup. So I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, I really need to wash my hair, but you know when you just want to like slick it back and then sort it out when you're home. Just realised how close the camera was then. But yeah, I feel like I've got a little bit sun-kissed. My face and my chest never really get it, but I feel like my back, can you see, is that a little bit bronzer? So that's lovely. But yeah, I'm trying to think if I had anything else to say. Yeah, just literally the most amazing place that night. I'd love to come back one day. And it just feels so surreal that this is the like last trip I've done with work. This is the last destination I had to do, and I've done all the destinations. So very happy about that. And yeah, feeling super grateful, and time to get ready to fly home.